In this video, I will show you how to change Shopify store name. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So what you can do is you can head over right here to your settings. And then once you have done that, you can see your store. So in here, it's already been selected on the store details. And of course, you can see in here the profile that you have. So click on this pencil icon right here. Once you have done that, you can see your store name, store phone, as well as store email. So let's change the store name. So for example, let's name this Tiara Clothes right here. And then click on the save option. Then as you can see, it's been saved as Tiara Clothes. Now, as you can see, the name right here has been changed yet. So what you can do is you can refresh your store. And once it's been refreshed, you can see the new name that's already been added. As you can see, it has changed the name right here, as well as in here, and all here tab. So that's the whole process. If you have found it's really helpful, so leave a like or subscribe. But that's us for each one people. Thanks.